Hello guys, congratulations for getting to the round two. First of all, we will wait for everyone to join. Then, this is the game pin you can see on your screen. After everyone joined, we will start our second round for the quiz competition. Till then, you can wait. After everyone has joined, we will take attendance of people who all are selected. Then we will start the meeting. Thank you, guys. For the attendance, I will call out your name and you have to put thumbs up or present in the chat box. You are not allowed to switch on your mics and write any answer in the chat box. You will be straight disqualified. I hope I am clear. Dipanshi, please write your full name. Okay, I am starting with the attendance. First is Vivek Raj. Dipanshi, no problem. Okay,
Present.
we are starting with the attendance for, yeah, you can not unmute yourself, you can put in the chat box. Next is Shivani. Next, Kirti. Ayushi Verma. Shivani present, Ayushi present. And the debate is also present. Next is Brinda Saroha. Uh, Brinda present. Next is Astha Rana. Present. Akansha. Next, Ria. Ria. Okay. Anish Pooja Panda. Anish. Tanya, till then you can check in the participant list. Are they present or not? Is Anish present? Okay, Shubham. Aditi Chauhan, again. Harshita, Kaushiki Ishwar.
Present.
Uh, okay, guys, so you are not allowed to unmute yourself. Please write in the chat box. Nandini Chauhan, Nandini Chauhan. Next is Dipanshi. Dipanshi. Uh, Velpala Sri Lakshmi. I hope I am pronouncing it right. Okay. Next is Nitya Dalal. Nitya, are you there? Okay, Srinesh. Okay. Next is Amala Anna Anil. Is it? Okay. So, Nitya, is Nitya in the meeting? Sakshi, please tag them in the group.
Okay.
Nandini Chauhan. Okay, guys, still others are joining. Let me tell you the rules for the today. You cannot unmute yourself. You can raise your hand at any time, but you cannot put your answers in the chat box. This is not allowed. You have to use Kahoot platform for today's quiz. As you can see on my screen, join at www.kahoot.it or with the app. Okay, you have to log in this website and then enter this game pin. Once you have done this, please write in the chat box done. And as you can see, some of them have also logged in and have their names in this. Please do this. Shubham, you can search in your browser www.kahoot.it and then you will be getting an option to enter the game pin. Please enter that. There will be an option for your nickname as well. Please put your full name in that. After you are done with this, please post done in the chat box. Uh, who have joined through this number 9408813. Please write your own name in the place of nickname. Please join again 9408813. Others, please join. Uh, in the second round. You are not qualified. You can see it as an audience, but you cannot participate in this. Ria, I'm just checking and letting you know. Just give me 5 minutes. Whoever has joined with the game pin name, please rejoin by your own name. You have messaged me, right? Yeah, I can't hear you. Sakshi, is she audible?
No, she's not
Sakshi?
audible. Am I audible?
Yes, Ayushi.
Excuse me.
Yes.
एक्चुअली अभी
You can be. Yeah.
मेरी तरफ से कोई कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, बट स्टिल उन्होंने मुझे डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया, लाइक कहूँ से। आई डोंट नो व्हाई।
You can join again, no problem.
हाँ, आई हैव जॉइंड अगेन, बट व्हाट अबाउट कि अगर क्विज के बीच में ऐसा सेम हो तो?
Like you have to use your stable connection for that.
आई हैव माई कनेक्शन स्टेबल। ओके, आई ट्राई देम।
Okay, sure.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Actually, I had joined earlier with, I'm able to see on the screen with the name Akanksha, but I don't know how they removed me, and now that I was joining again, so it mentioned that Akanksha name is already taken, so I have joined it with Akanksha 25 again.
Just a second. There are two Kansha in the group. The selected one is from Kamla Nehru College.
Yes, I am from
Who is
Kamla
that?
Nehru College.
Yeah, other Akansha, you can leave the Kahoot quiz.
No, actually, I have joined from both. Earlier, I joined with Akanksha. But I don't know how I was removed from the quiz. It was written like you are disconnected, and then I have when I start. tried to join again, it was showing that Akanksha name has been already taken.
Same problem was with me, saying the same thing.
Guys, if everyone agrees, can I reshuffle the game pin? You all can join then. If everyone
Yes,
agrees.
Yeah,
yes,
sure.
please.
Okay, everyone, please in the chat box. Okay, I am shuffling the game pin again. Just give me a second. Till then, everyone, please join. Sakshi, ask everyone to join, please.
For the for
Okay, guys, so I have resetted the pin. I am sharing my screen again. Please use your name in the nickname and game pin. I am just showing. Just a second. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, then please join. Yes, use your full name. Uh, who has joined from the number? Please join with your name. Is Brinda Saroha, Nandini, and Nitya present in the meeting? Sakshi,
yeah,
is Brinda Saroha, Nandini, and Nitya present in the meeting? Because we have to
Brinda
start.
Saroha is, but I think Nandini was there before.
Nandini and Nitya.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, it's time, so I think we should start. Pardon? Hello? Okay, so we are starting with the game. I am looking. Uh, Anyone who wants to join? Okay, I am locking the game. We need to start. Okay, so let me just brief you with the rules. There are in total 10 questions, which are divided into 7 single point questions and 3 questions are brownie points, which is question number 8, 9, and 10. These 3 questions will be awarded 2 points each, and the other 7 questions from 1 to 7 will be awarded 1 point each. So, and I will be reading out the question as well. So, I think start. Please write yes in the chat box. Am I not audible? Yes. Should I repeat the rules again?
It's clear.
Okay, it's clear. So, should we start?
Yes.
Okay, so I will just summarize the rules. There are 10 questions, 7 questions are single point, and 3 questions are double point. Those are brownie questions. The question number are 8, 9, and 10. You will be getting 20 seconds to answer all the questions. You are not supposed to write answer in the chat box or switch on your mic anytime between the quiz. Okay, everything is clear. Should we start? Okay,
Yes.
we are starting with the quiz. Okay, guys, all the best. This is the question one. Balwant Rai Mehta, a pioneer of Panchayati Raj and a distinguished freedom fighter, was Chief Minister of which state? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Yes, guys, 8 seconds. Great, 14 answers, and the correct answer is Gujarat. Balwant Rai Mehta was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Moving on to the next question. Okay, so Vivek Raj is on the top, then Akansha, Shivani, Kaushiki, and Sri Lakshmi. Okay, moving on to the next question. Haryana state was formed on 1st November 1966 on the recommendation of which committee? Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Sardar Hukum Singh, Sir Chotu Ram. Yes, guys, 9 answers. Come on. Yeah. The correct answer is Sardar Hukum Singh. 10 people guessed it right. Let's see who's on the top this time. It's still Vivek Raj. Congratulations. Next is Akansha, Ayushi Verma, Astha, and Shivani. Moving on to the next game. Sorry, next question. Third question. Which of the following freedom fighter is also known as the unofficial ambassador of India? Tatya Tope, Kuwar Singh, Dadabhai Naroji, W.C. Banerjee. Your answers? Yes, guys. 8 answers till now. 9, 10, 12, 14. Yes, it's Dadabhai Naroji. Let's see who is leading. Okay, it's Akansha, then Astha, then Kaushiki, then Ayushi, then Dipanshi. Yes, guys, buckle up. Next question. Which among the following language is not there in the 8th schedule of Constitution of India? Dogri, Rajasthani, Manipuri, and Sindhi. Yes, guys. 8 answers. Yes, the correct answer is Rajasthani. Let's check the scoreboard. Now Dipanshi is leading with 289 points, then Vivek, Akansha, Astha and Shivani. Next question, fifth question. Who was the founder of Jugantar? Avinash Bhattacharya, Barinder Kumar Ghosh, Bhupendra Nath Dutt, all of the above. 8 answers, 9 answers, 11, 12. Yes, the correct answer is all of the above. Let's check the leaderboard. And Ayushi Varpa is leading. Congratulations, Ayushi. Then Dipanshi, Shivani, Anish, and Vivek. Moving on to the next question. Kitabda, the newspaper started by Gopal Krishna Gokhale in 1911, was initially published from Mumbai, Sholapur, Pune, Nagpur. Yes, guys. It's 10 seconds. Fourteen answers. Wait. Yes, the correct answer is Nagpur. Next, check the leaderboard. Okay, Ayushi is still leading. Then Dipanshi, Vivek, Akansha, and Shivan. Moving to the next. Okay, so here, who among the following was the first Governor General of New Dominions of India until June 1948? Lord Mountbatten, P. Rajagopalachari, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Yes, guys, 14 answers. The correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Let's check the leaderboard. Okay, Ayushi is still leading. Moving on to the next question. Okay, guys, so from here there will be double points. UP was earlier known as United Provinces. In which year it was given the name Uttar Pradesh? 1947, 1950, 1951, 1948. Yes, the answer is 1950. Moving on to the next. Okay, so Dipanshi is on the lead. Then Ayushi, Vivek, Akansha, and Astha. Now, next question is also a double point question. The famous Lucknow Pact was signed between INC and Muslim League in which year? 1912, 1916, 1914, or 1918? Yes, it's 1916. Okay, so let's check the leaderboard and we will move on to our last question for the day. Okay, Ayushi Verma is leading with 72 points. Now moving on to the last question. This is the last question and it is a double point question, always everyone. The last question is, who integrated the former kingdom, princely states with the Indian Union? Motilal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, guys, answers please. Yes, it's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now let's check who is the winner for today. Okay, on third place we have Vivek Raj. Congratulations. On second place, we have Dipanshi, and on first place, we have Ayushi Verma. Congratulations, Akansha and
Excuse
Anish
me.
is the runner-up. Congratulations to you too. Yes. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
you're
you are.
audible.
Yes. Yes.
So what we have covered is one question right now, and you have to write in the chat box.
Excuse me.
Hello,
Sorry, you were not
am I there?
audible.
Yes. Okay. Am I audible
Yes, you're
now?
audible now.
Okay, okay. So what we have come up with is that like one question was wrong, and we have checked our report for that, like the people who have given the wrong, and after that, if we also add one score to that, the five winners remain the same. The five winners are Ayushi, Dipanshi, Vivek, Akansha, and Anish. So to decide, what we are doing is right now I'm giving you a question related to the same topic, and you have to answer that in the chat box. Okay?
So the podium will shift if the answer is right or wrong, or it will remain the same.
Yeah. No, no, it will shift.
So now the
Okay?
question will be just for the five or for everyone who participated?
Yeah, just for the five. Just for five. We have checked the report. Okay, so can we start? Ayushi,
Yeah, go
Vivek,
ahead.
Dipanshi, Akansha, and Anish.
Yes.
But
Yes.
if the points
Please write
difference is
yes in the chat box.
But if the point difference between the rank 2 holder and rank 4 holder is so much that even after giving this answer correct, the point will not shift. So can you please clarify how will the shifting will be made? As in.
Like,
Mhm.
okay, so let me tell you that first of all, the winner is Ayushi with 8993 marks. Okay, and for Dipanshi, it's 8960. Vivek, it's 8902. And for Akansha and Anish, just let me check once, please. Yes. For Akansha, it's 8657. And for Anish, it's 8089. Okay, so what we are gonna do, like for this question, we are giving you 50 points. Okay, so the allotment will be 50 to the first who are going to answer, then second will be 30 points, and then will be 20 points. Like this will be the category for this question. Whoever answers first will be rewarded 50 points. Then the second one will be at second 30 points, and then 20 points. Okay. Okay. So I am reciting the question. Please hear it very carefully. I will not be repeating the question. Just let me know if I am audible correctly. Okay. So Ayushi, Vivek, Dipanshi, Akansha, and Anish, be ready. The question is, which of the following movements immediately followed the partition of Bengal? The options are non-cooperation movement, Swadeshi movement, civil disobedience movement, and Gadar movement. Yes, guys, answers please. Yes, The correct answer is Swadeshi, and the first one is Vivek, then Ayushi, Anish, Dipanshi, and Akansha. This is the so 50 points will be rewarded to Vivek, and 30 will be to Ayushi, and 20 will be to Anish. I am just getting ready the scoreboard. Just give me a minute. I will tell you the final winners. Stay in the meeting, please. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. The final result is the first position is for Ayushi Verma. Congratulations, Ayushi. The second position goes to Vivek Raj. Congratulations. The third position is for Dipanshi. The fourth position is for Akansha. And the fifth position is for Anish. Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations, all of you. Well played. We enjoyed indeed.
Yeah, very great enthusiasm. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
So,
much for joining.
congratulations to the winner.
Thanks a lot,
Congratulations.
everyone.
Congratulations. Guys, if you mind, please can we get a screenshot
Yeah,
of the
sure.
winner? Okay. So,
I think winners have left a few of them.
no, Akansha is here. Ayushi is here. Let me check others. Like most of them. Like whoever is present, he can take the screenshot with them. I am joining through my phone. Give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Sakshi, please take the screenshot.
Sakshi, is it done?
Just a second, please.
Sakshi, should I join again?
Please, everyone, switch on your camera, please.
Prachi,
Yes, Ji.
Prachi, can you take screenshot?
Sure, sure. I'll be. Wait. I'm joined through phone, but wait.
Sakshi, are you taking?
Yes, Ji, I'm taking. Just a minute. Yeah, please switch on your cameras. Snehadi, your camera is off. Dia, are you there?
दिख रही है?
हाँ, अब दिख रहा है. Done, Di, done.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's done. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
done. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a
Congratulations,
lot.
Ayushi.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Akanksha.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to even of you. Thank you for joining in. And it was fun. Indeed, it was fun watching you all.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
we
much.
will be
all.
Yeah,
sending
in fact, I
you
would
the
like to thank
certificate.
Mr. Vivek Raj also. He was very interactive throughout. But I think he has left.
Yeah.
It's okay, not an issue.
Yeah. Thank you for joining.